So, nasuspend kasi it's Sunday, and nung Friday is nasuspend yung klase namin. Yes, nung Friday. So, I was like, here in my desk, may mga dapat akong gawin, but I saw my sketchbook. Andito na to, as in lagi, pinagpapatungan ko lang siya every time may activity ako. And then, naisip ko, nagdodrawing naman ako ng bata ako, why not draw again? And then, siyempre, nag-search ako ng mga reference sa Pinterest. Let's have a tour. So, ipapakita ko yung mga din-drawing ko nung Friday. Friday is officially nag-start ulit ako. So, ayan. Can you see it? I have this cat, bunny, duck, another duck. Cute, di ba? And then, ito. I have a pig, a hamster, a cow, a capybara, mouse, cow. Ang cute, di ba? Diba? Isn't it great? And then, I've decided to draw something like more of my type. So, I've decided to draw this one. And I'm really proud of this man because look at the hair. Look at the hair. For me, it's good. As someone na hindi na nagdo-drawing since I was 11, 12, it's good. Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. I'm really proud of this one. Ayan. May lyrics pa ng BMW. Kawawa. So, yan. Medyo tinatago-tago ko pa to kasi medyo creepy siya. Yan ba? Ano pa bang dinrawing ko ng Friday? And then, I tried to draw portraits naman. I'm not good at it. I need practice. Ayan. Ang lala, diba? Ito medyo okay to. Basta, ayan. Medyo okay siya. And then I tried to draw eyes. Pero medyo ano tayo doon. And then, ito pa. Ang dami ko pa lang dinuhan ng Friday. So, okay. Tapos ito pa. I tried to draw Ghibli. Ayan. Ang dami ko dinuhan ng Friday. Then, Saturday came. Medyo nag-iba yata yung ihip ng hangin. Medyo nag-iba. Una, ito muna. Nag-search ako like boyish inspiration or like mga exercises, drawing exercises, and then ito yung unang ano. Ayan. Una kong din drawing nung Saturday. And then, biglang ito na siya. Biglang ito na. Ano? Parang, nung Friday kasi medyo pet pa ako. Nasa pets pa ako. Yun. Hamster. Tapos bilang, ano to? May format pa siya. May ano pa siya? Oh, guide pa siya. Ano yan? So, syempre, pandinataman ko, medyo kabado-benda ako. Baka may biglang pumasok. Ba't ka naman kasi ang dura? And then, I also have this. Yun yung mga part na natutunan ko na paano gawin yung male torso. And then, I've decided to do Patrick and SpongeBob. This is Patrick. And then, ayun. Yun nga. Torso, abs. Tapos, I tried to draw back. Pero medyo mananda rin siya. Tapos, naganap ako. I tried to draw Squidward also. And then, I tried to draw the side of the man. Yung anatomy. And then, summon. And then, gumawa ko ng hindi ko alam paano gawin yung ulo niya. So, summon na lang nilagay ko. And then, I think I went to this little boy. And then, today, I've switched. So, kasi diba linggo ngayon, so kahapon yan. Kung kahapon medyo freaky, male torso. Now, it's cute. Look at that. Aren't they cute? This is my favorite. This one, and then this one. These four are my baddies. Like, look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Ang cute-cute niya. Ginawa ko siyang profile sa IG because she's so cute. Isn't it cute? Like, I was just here yesterday. Yesterday, I was here. And then today, I'm here. Isn't it cute? And then, I tried to search free Ren. Kasi diba, I'm like watching. And then, I did. Just today. Just this afternoon. Isn't she cute? I'm like so proud. Like, heck. Wow. I'm coming back to my old self. And if you wanna ask who's my inspiration, it's right in front of me. Pero, ang plano ko is I'm also gonna draw like I don't know, portrait or anything, tapos itatabi ko sa kanya, and then I'm gonna put my signature also. And that's my inspiration. That's my inspiration. And then I'm gonna move that aside. Then I'm gonna put my drawing here. Gagawa pa ako. Isn't it amazing? Isn't my plan amazing? I know. Thank you so much. I'm gonna update you what happened, what will happen to my sketchbook as the day passed by. So for 3 days pa lang, nung mga first pets tayo. And then second, medyo naging creepy. Tapos nga, ang cute ng mga pinagagawa ko. Like, I'm really proud. It's really, really, really cute. It's really cute. That's it. Bye-bye.